What is chemical formula? Chemical formula is an alternative of presenting information about the proportions of atoms that compose a particular chemical compound of molecule. Unlike chemical name, chemical formula does not contain any words. It only has symbols of the elements that are present in the periodic table, which sometimes include parentheses, dashes, brackets, commas, and plus or minus sign. The periodic table is a tabular arrangement of the chemical elements according to their atomic number. Generally, there are three types of elements in the periodic table: metal, semi-metal, and non-metal. These elements can form different chemical formulas when they are combined together.
How do chemical compounds form? Let's take a closer look at structure of atom. This is an atom, and it consists of three types of subparticles, which are known as electron, proton, and neutron.
What is inorganic compound? Inorganic compound is typically a chemical compound that lacks carbon-hydrogen bonds, that is, a compound that is not an organic compound. There is two major types of inorganic compound: ionic compound and covalent compound. Chemical formula can be easily obtained from ionic compound through the cross product of two elements in their ionic state. Let's take lithium and fluorine for example. A lithium atom releases an electron to form a lithium ion with charge of +1. Fluorine will receive the electron to form a fluoride or fluorine ion with the charge of -1. Because of two opposite charges exist, these two attract each other due to strong electrostatic force. One lithium ion attracts with one fluoride to form lithium fluoride. The chemical formula can be written as LiF.
Now, let's make a chemical formula for a covalent compound. Take fluorine for example. It has 7 valence electrons. Fluorine shares one electron with another fluorine atom. With each shares one electron to each other, balanced electronic configuration achieved. The chemical formula can be written as F2.
Type of chemical formula. There are three types of chemical formula: molecular formula, empirical formula, and structural formula. This type of chemical formula represents formula of a compound in different ways. Molecular formula is what we have met before this video. It exhibits total amount of each type of atoms in a compound. Empirical formula is different from molecular formula. Empirical formula only exhibits ratio of each element in a compound. Structural formula is often used to illustrate the relative position of each element in a compound. How to make structural formula of an organic compound? Let's take butane as an example. Butane consists of 4 carbons and 10 hydrogen atoms that tightly bonded to each other with covalent bond. First, draw 4 carbon atoms, then put short line between the carbon atom. This indicates the single bond between carbon. Then, draw 10 hydrogen atoms, each at top, left, bottom or right of each carbon atom. Note that one carbon atom only forms 4 bonds. So there you have it, the structural formula for butane.
Chemical formula have been helping us to properly identify chemical compound. It is widely used in chemical equation for determining the product of a process.
Chemical formula also could tell us type of element and proportion of each element in a chemical compound. Chemical formula also help us to organize compound between organic and non-organic compound.
Chemical formula such as structural formula help us to differentiate between identical chemical compounds.
It saves us from making wrong opinion that all isomers of a compound are all same, thus helping us to make more useful products out of chemical compound which already help humans to advance a lot such as in technologies, industry and agriculture.